Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White here. Today we are on lesson 76 and it's going to look like this. So make sure you have that out and your name on the top of it and you're ready to start working. We're going to start on numbers 1 through 10 and I'm going to give you letter sounds and you are going to write down the letters that make those sounds. So for number 1 we have or. We just learned that. O-R. On number 2 we have R, A-R. On number 3, we have E-R. On number 4, we have K. Remember, K has a lot. It's K, comma, C. Final sound, C-K, K, K-E, and C. Make sure you get all those down. Number 5, we have Ch. That's C-H. Number 6, we have F. That's F, or as a final sound, it could be F, F. Number 7, we have Zul. That's our final stable sound, Z-L-E. Number 8, we have I. That's I, consonant E, comma, I, or as a final sound we learned it can be Y also. Number 9 is A. So that's A, consonant E, comma, A, or as a final sound A-Y. And lastly is number 10, and that's Q. And that is the Q-U. All right, make sure you have these. Pause it if you need to get a second to write them down before we move on to spelling a couple of words. All right. Next, we're going to move on to number 11. We're going to spell the word they. T-H. And then this is kind of a sight word. We can't really sound out. E-Y, they. Number 12 is also a sight word. Ben. B-E-E-N. These are ones we just have to memorize because we can't really sound them out like we usually do. All right, make sure you have those down. We're going to talk about our new sound. Let's look at these words. We have dirt, fur, and girl. Right, what do you notice about these words? Let's say them together. Dirt, fur, girl. They're making that sound. What letters do we see that are making the sound? It's not just R, it's I-R. So when we have two letters like this that make the sound, do you remember what it's called? We call it a combination, and we code a combination by an arc. Like a little smile face at the bottom. All right. Our picture card for this is something that flies. It lives, sometimes we make houses for it. We feed it seeds outside. It's a bird. So when we see this card, we'll say bird, All right, so we're learning we can spell that sound as E-R or I-R. Just depends. All right, let's practice spelling a couple words with our new Let's look at number 13. We're going to spell sir. So learning our new combination, S, and then I-R. Number 14 is first. We have F, and then our new sound, I-R, and then S and T, first. And number 15, girls, G, G, I-R, O, L, and S for girls, S. All right, make sure you have these 3 down before we move on to our coding. All right, number 16. we have bird. For this word, we just have our combination IR. Number 17, dirty. Since dirt is a root word, our Y is a suffix and we box it off. And then we have our combination IR there. On number 18, we have third. We have our IR, our TH blend, and our IR arc combination. Number 19, chirping. We got a lot going on in this word. Chirping, suffix ing, we're going to box off. Here we have our CH blend, and IR gets its arc. All right, number 20, nozzle. Oh wait, that's why it skipped way ahead. Sorry. Clarence, are you following along with me out there? I hope you are. You too, Ava, I hope you're both following along. Make sure you're not pausing and rewinding too much. We want to stay on task while we're doing this, right? Our next word is squirmed. Here we're going to box off our ED. Here we have our IR combination, our QU blend, and squirmed. All right, out of these 5 words here, we're going to draw a line to the picture that matches the word. I think you guys can figure this one out. I'm going to hold this up there. Make sure you pause if you don't have all the coding done yet. All right, moving on to 21. Root. Here we're just going to underline our OO. Digraph. 22. Nozzle. I don't know why I thought this was number 21. Here we have our final stable syllable. ZLE. Vowel consonant, our O gets a brev. Oh, when we cross off our E, right? We don't say that. 23. Quickly. Here we have our suffix ly, our CK blend where we don't say the C, and then here we have QU. Oh, it gets an underline. 24. Way. Here we underline our AY and cross off our Y because we don't say it. Way. Oh, and then our A gets a macron, right? And 25, chatter. Here we have our double consonant, and we draw a line in between them, and it's vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We also have combination ER there at the end. Then we have vowel, consonant, our A gets a brev. Right? Make sure you get that done. And then when you're finished with this, you're going to turn over and do your worksheet. Make sure you do your worksheet and you don't leave that side blank. The homework on the back, you're just going to read the paragraph and answer the questions and read the sight words. All right, I'll see you on the next video.